Alright, Chainsaw, you ready? Here it comes. You ready? Ready to eat the strawberries?
Oh, God.
Get them. Get the strawberries, kitty cat. Chainsaw loves strawberries. Chainsaw loves strawberries.
Chainsaw loves to sleep.
Yeah, she does. He almost eats this jar. He would clean out a whole jar of strawberries if he could. Come on. He loves strawberries. Big old Chainsaw. Ah, took the jar again. Puts his teeth right on it. Poor kitty cat. He likes the strawberries though. Kitty cat. I still have some. You want some more? There he goes. He loves strawberries. Have you had enough? Have you had enough? Is that all you want? Picky kitty cat. Whoops, there it goes. Poor old kitty cat. There he goes. Yeah, he's got some now.
What you doing, kitty? What the window open?
Autofocus is a little off. Oh, there it goes. He's just a kitty cat. He's trying so hard to get his tongue down in the bottom.
There you go. My sinus is fucked up.
Kitty cat. He's a good boy. He's a handsome boy. He's a handsome Chainsaw. He's a handsome kitty cat.
Oh, it's so cold.
He's done with his strawberries. I think he's done with his strawberries. You think he's done? Oh, here he goes.